high pitch.
Verde Mantis Huracan LP610 here, and this is a free flow F1 video. Welcome back everybody to Valvetronic Designs. Today, this car is owned by someone very special. Wait.
I'm looking for an exhaust.
For what? Well, this?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I think I might know a guy.
Okay.
Actually, transparently, guys, this is Jake Schnatter. You've probably seen him on the internet before, but he's come all the way from Idaho to experience this system in person. So, Jake, give me one word for what you think the experience is like with this setup.
Wild.
You heard it here first, everybody. This exhaust configuration, again, got the factory exhaust headers, and it has our catback F1 style non-valved rear section on the car. The car does have a set of D-cats, got the factory cats removed, but when we talk about the high pitch experience that everybody wanted, you know that Valvetronic Designs is going to deliver it. Startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations, launch control. We're going to put that GoPro on the rear bumper so you guys know exactly how good this Huracan sounds from all the angles. Let's get to it.
Never once been in a Lamborghini. See how it compares to an E46. I think it's gonna be a hard contestant to top right there. That sounds insane. That's nuts. Oh my god.
It only makes like 510 wheel.
That bitch rides.
The kids on this, they're a freak.
Stay in school.
No.
Just kidding.
Drop out of college.
Yeah,
stay in past high school.
Won't get one of these.
Oh, he's pointing.
He's pointing.
He's pointing.
Don't stay in school. What's the trust level on Austin driving the car?
7.5.
Yeah. It's higher than I would have put it.
Okay. 4.5.
Realistic numbers here, 4.5. Bro, that's so loud.
It's
so
loud, but it sounds good. That's the difference. It's loud, but it sounds good.
Bro, the way it echoes is nuts.
You hear the echo?
Yeah.
That exhaust is good and hot.
That is the V10 experience turned up to 11. You might be confused thinking that this car might be engine swapped with an LFA or a regular 5-liter Gallardo. The configuration on this car has been something we've been engineering for the past 9 months. It's been something that we've held in release for about 4 months now. We have the configurations, they're all in production right now, and we're gonna build as many as we can to make sure that everybody who is fortunate enough to own these cars, like Mr. Jake here, is able to enjoy that sound experience. From your perspective, what do you think is going to happen to the value of these cars now? I wouldn't buy a 458 anymore.
No, like the Huracan offers like everything you'd want in a supercar, except that crazy sound that like a 458 LFA or any of those other cars would like offer. Now that you have the sound,
There's no excuses anymore for the car.
No excuse.
So if you guys are looking to get this exhaust configuration, check us out at Valvetronic.com. The systems are in production now as we drop this video. 1st of April, production units will be rolling out here in about 6 to 8 weeks. It's taking us a lot of time because we want to make sure these systems are perfect for you, offering that true F1 sound in an uncompromised fashion. Thanks everybody for watching. Check that link to get your pre-order, or if this video is already out for some time, grab your in-stock system right now and crank up that V10 experience. See you guys in the next video.
Drive safe.